Hi friends, welcome to the channel Digital Taldar once again. Friends, in this video you will get to know that how we are creating the design using clip mask technique. So friends, first I want you to watch this video and then we will talk later on. So friends, I hope that you liked the video. Friends, clipping mask technique is the easiest technique with the help of which you can make very fine designs. Friends, you can use these designs for your Facebook as well as for your web banners. Friends, to make these designs, we are also creating a blog for this. If you want to read and learn, you can read it and follow the steps and make this design. Very soon we are launching our blog by the name Digital Taldar, by which you can see everything in detail if you don't understand in the video. So friends, thank you for watching the video, and I hope that we are getting your support. So do like and subscribe our channel and show your love. Thank you for watching.